Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering essential files, a Windows XP ISO and a product key. Once you have them, install VirtualBox or VMware and create a new VM. Choose Windows XP as the guest OS, set one 2 GB RAM and a 20 GB virtual disk, and enable virtualization in your host BIOS if required. Make sure to attach the ISO to the VM's virtual optical drive. This gets you from zero to a bootable installer, so you can begin the Windows XP setup. You boot the VM from the ISO and proceed through the Windows XP installer. Create the partition, format with NTFS, and enter your key when prompted. Once Windows boots, install the Virtualization Guest Editions or VMware tools to enable drivers, mouse integration, and proper display resolution. Now configure networking. Choose NAT for simple internet or bridge to appear on your LAN. After that, adjust shared folders, sound, and USB settings. These steps give XP the drivers and network access. You finish by applying any available updates and installing a lightweight antivirus or snapshotting an offline update package. Legacy XP updates are limited, so prioritize drivers and tools. Then create a VM snapshot and export the appliance so you can restore if anything breaks. If you encounter boot or install failures, first confirm the ISO is attached and valid, then verify VM settings like IDE/SATA controller, allocated RAM, and that CPU virtualization is enabled. These final actions secure your VM and give you a fast recovery path.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.